Welcome to Chanakya Educational Hub, where your journey towards knowledge and success begins.
Dear friends, my name is Ikkurthy, and for last 20-25 years, I'm working with the SAS software, particularly for clinical trials and drug development area. And we got like a project. We are looking for a people. That means senior people, couple of senior programmers, and 4 or 5 people with the mid-level programmers. Mostly, we need a lot of junior programmers. That means they must be familiar with SAS software and they should know how to use the software and how to create the tables, figures, and the listings. This is our basic requirement. In this basic requirement, we are accepting the resumes now, and the interviews are going to be scheduled on first week of January 2025, and tentatively this project is going to be start on January 27th. Initially couple of weeks, so this is like a on-site. Then after that, depending upon the candidate comfort level, it is goes to like a hybrid or it goes to like a remote position. And also we are looking for people with US citizens and green card holders and valid EADs. That means any OPT like a student, or OPT EAD or L2 EAD or H4 or even green card EADs, all these people. At this point of time, we are not encouraging H1B people. Why? Because H1B people, their bill rates are little bit different and they have like a minimum wage certain things. Because this project is most like a cost effective project, we are unable to pay that much of money with that's only the reason we are not encouraging. Or if you want to work with even less salary or less stuff, absolutely you can send your resumes. But most important is the person should have a verifiable. I mean, we need to verify the background check. We need to verify the references. All those things is required. So for that case, we want to brush up some session because this is starting from today, like like 20th. I mean, tomorrow we are going to start some session. That session is exclusively for 20 days. Lot of people knows about me. We are giving this SAS trainings for almost last 20 years. In this last 20 years, we never go with everyday classes, only weekend classes. This is the first time we are organizing everyday class. That too every day 2 hours, 2 hours Eastern Standard Time. Of course, you can join across the globe with Eastern Standard Time. Those session is like totally result oriented. One way interview preparation, what type of, and this session contains like a programming fundamentals and SAS programming from basic to advanced. And of course, certification, having certification is always advantage. More important is CDISC, Clinical Data Interchange Standards Consortium, their standards, and of course TFLs like table, figures, and listings. Sometimes people call it as TLG, table, figures, and graphs. And a lot of times people mentioned asking about a real project. Nobody is going to provide you a real project because contract, non-disclosure agreements, etc. all there. But we can assure you we are going to provide you real-time situation. So same thing like demo table, adverse table, physical exam, convert, etc. Okay. Then after that, we will help you to prepare the resume, and we are conducting mock interviews. Then you are ready to take that project. So people who wants to enter, no unethical things. I'm using that word, no unethical things. You need to get your project with own efforts. For last so many years, we are giving the training. I don't want to say, oh, 100% is my success rate. My success rate is close to 90%. 90% of our students are working in industry for so many years. So remaining 10% is like both situations. So that is situation. And also again, I'm encouraging people with this. This batch is going to be starting from like tomorrow is the 21st of December to 10th of January. Every day 2 hours. Enjoy with your vacation with a good certification and grab the project. That's more important. Okay. And eligibility education wise, any programming knowledge, particularly for clinical trials, drug development, those things is what is phase one, what is phase two. That is the reason we mentioned like pharmacy and BTech, MBA, and MS with like data science, some areas. So we are encouraging people with good academic background. The most important is attitude. I want to get a project. For that case, choose a right person first. If you are a right person, you never did anything wrong. If you are not a right person, whatever you are doing is wrong. This is the present situation. Again, I am telling you, my name is Ikkurthy. You can check, go to Google or LinkedIn or any other place. You will get a lot of information about me. If you are interested, please call us. These numbers are 732-692-4748 or even 848-248-2421. Then we are definitely ready to help you to get into corporate. Thank you very much.